Imagine it's the middle of the day, the sun is high, and you can see for miles, and I hand you a flashlight. What would that be worth to you right now? Probably not much. You probably wouldn't be willing to give me much for that flashlight. You don't think you need it. You can see. There's no use for a flashlight right now. Now imagine a different scene. The sun's gone down. It's pitch black dark. The hunt ran a little longer than you thought it would. You thought you had a flashlight, but you don't. Those noises are starting to get louder, sticks and leaves crunching around you, snakes and everything out this time of year, coyote howls, and you ain't got no light. If I asked you now if you wanted that flashlight, how much would you be willing to give for the same light that you didn't need earlier today? And the truth is, unfortunately, this is how a lot of people treat their relationship with Jesus Christ. When everything's good and everything feels bright, we convince ourselves that we don't need Him. But then when fear and loss and uncertainty and anxiety sets in, we search for that light desperately. John 8:12 says, Jesus spoke to them again, and He said, I am the light of the world. Anyone who follows me will never walk in the darkness, but will have the light of life. Jesus never intended for us to wait until we were lost to look for Him. He wants us to walk with Him every second of every day, so that when darkness does come, and it will, we already know the one who lights our path. Psalms 119:105 says, Your word is a lamp for my feet and a light on my path. Guys, don't wait until you're surrounded by darkness to realize the value of the light. Know Him now, walk with Him now, and treasure Him now, so that when darkness comes, you already have the only light that has never failed. Jesus is the light of this world, and darkness has never and will never overcome Him. Y'all, thank you so much for listening to the message of this video. Now let's see if we can't go kill some pigs. That's the second boar. Show me what that is. Show me that. Show me that bottle. Yes, sir. Oh yeah. Camouflage now.
Life lessons.
Yep. We've done taped up the whole F-150. And a single light coming on, by gosh. We ain't scaring another hog off again. Look at that.
Don't wait for it.
All right.
Here it is.
1, 2, 3. Uh-uh! Dude, it's dead. It's laying there. Let's go look at it.
Freaking way.
I'm telling you.
I know we wasted way more bullets on that.
Yeah, but it's 669 yards is what it's reading.
That was very good judging, so we'll know next time.
Hey, listen to me. That's about to be a big hog. So we just took a shot at what could possibly be our personal best hog at about 670 yards. Well, it is not our personal best. I don't know, it's bigger than I thought it was. Let's drop down with it for size. It's a pretty dang good sized hog. I don't know if you saw, but when he kind of spun back around, I think that's probably where we hit him. Because that's when
we might have missed the first time.
No, well, I went originally. I think we hit him when he was moving out into the field.
Oh.
I think the blow that did it was right there in the middle of the field, not when we first started shooting. Y'all, thank you so much for coming for the crosshairs, but I really appreciate y'all staying for the cross. Y'all have a blessed day.